welcome to you all. We will be on the way very shortly, once all the pleasantries are complete. I'm your commentator, Peter Drury, and providing his unique brand of expert analysis, here's Jim Beglin.
Hello, Peter, and hello to everyone watching. For me, it's a real thrill to be here.
Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
I'm going to choose Adam Lallana. Exceptional on the turn with his back to goal, in opening up more options in that area between the opposition's defence and midfield. His ability to find space in such a crowded spot is so valuable to this team.
Well, quite no argument from me on that one. Tries to get it forward quickly. Questions were asked. He's given the answers.
Juris. Oh, good ball. He's off on a marauding run. Strong challenge, but well within the laws. Well, both sides have actually looked poor going forward. We've hardly seen anything meaningful yet. Juris.
Be a throw-in. Hits one! Just off target.
When he struck that, he must have thought it was going in. Such are the margins of success and failure in this game. That was so close.
It's gone for a throw-in. For a third of the way through the game. And it's Lallana. It's Lallana! Decent strike, kept it fizzing low.
There was very good technique and purity behind the hit, but the accuracy was just a little off there, Peter.
Battles to win it back. It's a move that looked promising, but eventually thwarted without doing any harm. So who can spark this game into life? Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Tries a through ball. Cut out in the nick of time. He spotted the run and played him through, and he's shown him a clean pair of heels.
And grabbing that opening goal so close to half-time too affords them that extra little psychological edge. And when it's one of your main men that's doing the damage, it just grows the togetherness and it
We hit half-time.
Well, they definitely won't be happy with that half. They seem to lack a bit of desire, especially going forward. It wouldn't surprise me to see a change.
Whistle goes, and we start the second half. So, 45 minutes to turn it round. Looking to force his way through. Oh, wonderful, wonderful Lionel Messi! They have done it! They have their equaliser! Oh, whose goal is that? Big deflection. That's one for the dubious goals panel. And that has added a whole new complexity complexion to the game.
Oh, look, Peter, there's a great ebb and flow to this clash, and it's above all expectations for me.
Adjuris. They've got the final touch there. Goal kick's been given.
Well, it's looking a lot better for them now, and as long as they don't just get a little bit too cocky about this spell in opposition territory and leave themselves open to a slick counter-attack, they've still got to play with the right purpose and keep an urgency about what they're doing.
Thrust towards the front line. Lucas Piszczek gets it back. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Lallana, and he's on his way! Really well taken goal. And the comeback is complete. The movement so precise, the finish sumptuous.
Just when they thought they may be in at one end, they end up shipping a goal at the other, and it's all due to wonderful counter-attacking. They hardly had time to even react, and there's only one word to describe that: clinical. Yeah, they deserve great credit for turning things around, but they'll now need the defensive resilience to equal that attacking flair.
He wasn't very far from making something happen by himself. Lovely to see. Looks to slip it through. Now here's the through ball. And the finish! Oh, taken with style. A 2-goal cushion, and it's looking safe. Lovely goal, perfect poise to set himself for the strike.
Listen, it's up to them now how they think about it from here, because for me it's crying out for them to force the issue.
Well, this man's contribution is, as you would expect, proving terrific.
Well, having that sort of player in your side is reassuring, because the rest of the team knows he can make his influence count at any stage. It's simply part of his package. When he really wants to, this fella scores.
He's made sure that that won't get through. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Yeah, and the vision to get him through was all good, but the execution of the pass wasn't quite right. But importantly, he's holding his line until the very last moment, and that will pay off.
Ball's out on the left now. Chip through. Well played, he saw that coming. Just 5 minutes remaining now. Now it's Adjuris. There's going to be a change here. There's a man waiting to come on.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
Here's the route one option. Lallana, ready with 2 goals under his belt. Fourth official showing that there will be 3 minutes of added time. Goes wide. Now here's the through ball. Messi hits it! And that will be the final.